Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say hi and thank you so much. Today I'm going to go into my favorites for March and April. We are still in April and it has not ended, so I'm still going to show you the stuff that I'm still using, and they are like really essential to me. So we're going to go straight to this video. So the first product I have is from Mario. It's a skincare, and as you can see, I have used quite a lot, and I really love this product for facial spray and just setting everything. So with this, I think I don't remember how much it was, but it's really good, and I can say you can go for it because it is that good. So with this, it's one of my favorites for March and April, and I'm still using it, and I'm still going to use this product. My next favorite is e.l.f. eyeliner, and this is the eyeliner, and as you can see, I've used quite a lot of this product. This eyeliner is what I have on my eyes right now, and it's so good. It's very black and it's very soft, so it's easy to put on. So with this, yeah, I really use this and with an eyeliner pen, but I tend to go for this more because it's much easier and it's much softer to use, so it glides on easily. So that's one thing that I haven't let go of it since I started using it. So one of my favorites is also this Ultimate Oil in Gel Lipstick Remover for matte lipsticks, and all you need to do is to apply it on your lips and just rub it off and just wipe it off with wet wipes or something, or cloth or anything, but it removes the most stubborn lipstick stains ever. It does remove it, and I can review it for you guys. If you want me to do that, leave it in the comment section below and I'll do that. But I'm really in love with this product. I love it and I urge you to get it. I don't know if they still have it on Joom or Wish, but I'm going to leave the name of this product down in the description box for you guys to try it out. Third product that I have is this eyelash, magnetic eyelash. I'm so in love with this product. I know I keep saying I'm so in love. That's crazy, but it's everything. And I know you guys have heard of this product, but it's really good. This is the packaging, and it had its tweezers with it, but I've taken the tweezers out. I only need this and that. I have my own tweezers, even though the tweezer is good, it's the tweezer, but I have my own tweezers, so I prefer to use those rather than this. But this, it's magic. It's really easy, and it's for beginners. It's for people who are scared to put lashes on just because they feel it's too difficult. This is very easy. So the next makeup favorite of mine is this primer. It's Benefit Primer, and this is a dupe. It's not the original one. I bought this from Joom, and I have been using it for some time now. I have a combination skin. I have oily skin on my T-zone and dry skin around some areas, but this I think is really good for oily skin because anytime I apply it, my makeup takes longer, and I know it's not the original thing and I shouldn't be wearing it, but it works, so why not? We have our next product here, and it's, you guys already know. There's no need for me to talk about it. You guys already know. It's the Reversal palette. It's sort of like I don't know what to say. It's everything in one. This is the palette, and as you can see, there's so many colors and there's so many things you can do with this. I have created a look with this palette, and I keep creating looks with this palette off YouTube, and I can testify that it's really good. This It's one of my favorites and I want you guys to try. So we have this Beauty Glazed Your Shades. So ever since I started using this palette, I'm so obsessed with it. I never let go of this palette, which is not good. I am so obsessed with it, and I'm more of like a matte eye look kind of person. I prefer more matte and sometimes some shimmers, but this has all the matte and all the shimmers that I tend to, you know, use when I'm creating a good look or going out, a simple look, a soft glam look, a crazy, you know, colorful look. This is what I grabbed towards. And the reversal palette, I bought this year, so I have been using them, and the pigments are, they are so good, and there's so many things to do with it. So I think you should get it if you're thinking of it, or if you have seen it on Joom or Wish and you are trying to, you know, think whether it's good or not. It is good, so you should go for it, because there are the blues, the reds, the greens, the yellow, and the black. So everything, you know, it's in here. Everything is in here. So there's no need to grab a different palette, my dear. There's not. So with this, it's an A++. So my next favorite is the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is a dupe. This I got from Joom, and I have had it for a while now, and the pigments are still, you know, intact. So this, I'm in love with it. I've been using it, and you know, I keep using it. So this is how it looks. I know you guys know how it looks because I did you know, a declutter on my previous video. So this is it. So I'm going to swatch them for you. These are the shades. So these are the highlighters, and as you can see, it's still good. It still look really good. This is one of my favorites, and yeah, I'm still going to use it. And I don't know, unless it gives me a reaction or something, which I hope it doesn't, then I'm going to let it go. But for now, it's good with my skin, and it's okay. So I really like this this concealer palette because it has medium to dark skin shades in it. So I tend to use mostly this for contouring because it's the darkest shade in it. This I don't think I can use because it's too bright. So this I have used quite a lot, and as you can see, you can even see the pan. So this is one of my favorites that I normally use when I'm doing my makeup. So with this is also one of my favorites, so I'll keep on going until I find a new favorite. So we have the last of my favorites here to show you guys, and it's the Technique Smooth It primer. This is the primer, and as you guys can see, I've used quite a lot of this primer. It's very, very smooth. My favorite, apart from the Benefit. So if I'm not using the Benefit primer, I'm using the Technique Smooth It primer. So I think these two goes well. I don't use both of them at the same time. I just use either this or that, and they all look, you know, they all perform the same on my face, and I need to cover those, you know, oily spots, and these do just that for me. So these are my favorites for both March and April. So I want to say thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or don't forget to share it to make someone happy today. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.